If you look at this card, you can see a young man standing in a dry, cracked desert. He is holding a tall wooden van with both hands. He is looking up at the small green leaves growing at the top with a smile. This shows he is curious and excited about a new idea that is just starting to grow. He wears a bright yellow tunic covered in patterns of black salamanders. The salamander is a symbol of fire, meaning he has a lot of creative energy and transformation inside him. In the background, you can see tall pyramids under a clear blue sky. This shows he has big dreams, wants to explore, and step into something new and unknown. The bright sun and warm colors show a time of hope and positive energy. The suit of Vans is connected to the element of fire. It represents discovery, messages, action, and the excitement of starting a brand new adventure. Overall, this card is about the birth of a new idea or project and the courage to take the first step. This is the page of Van's card. If upright, a new message, idea, or exciting beginning. If reversed, delays, lack of direction, or losing focus. Career business studies. If upright, you might get a message or opportunity about a new job or project. You feel like a student again, ready to learn something fresh and exciting. In business, it shows a small idea that has the potential to grow big. In studies, it means starting something new that sparks your curiosity. If reversed, you might be starting too many things and not finishing them. A message you were waiting for might be delayed. In career, you may have ideas but are not taking action yet. In studies, you may feel distracted or lose interest quickly. Love relationship breakup. If upright, this card shows a crush or a new person who is fun and exciting. It is a time for flirting, small adventures, and trying new things together. In a relationship, it brings back the spark like the early days. In a breakup, it shows fresh energy helping you move forward. If reversed, there may be a false start in love or someone acting immature. You may feel the person is all talk and does not take action. In a relationship, it can show boredom or loss of excitement. In a breakup, it may feel hard to find direction again. Health. If upright, it shows high energy and a desire to be more active. You may feel motivated to start a new fitness or health routine. If reversed, you might have bursts of energy that don't last long. You may start something but lose motivation quickly. Try to make your routine fun so you stay consistent. General guidance. If upright, be curious and open to new ideas. Don't be afraid to try something just because it feels exciting. You have a spark, now take action. Say yes to a new adventure. If reversed, stop and think before jumping into something new. Don't just dream, start taking small actions. Don't let a small disappointment stop you. Focus on one thing at a time. So, the page of Vans teaches you to keep your sense of wonder, to trust your ideas and your inner fire, to look at the world with fresh eyes and a brave heart, and to have the courage to take the first step on a brand new path.